Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the site and tools so you can work cleanly and precisely. Clean the skin and make sure there's no oil or makeup. This helps the thread grip hair. Cut a 12 to 18-inch cotton thread and tie a tight double knot to form a loop. This gives you control and prevents sudden snaps. Once done, sit with good light, steady the mirror, and rest your elbow on a table. That stability is the first key to accuracy. You now form the working twist and learn the motion that removes hair. Place your index fingers inside the loop and thumbs outside, palms facing, then rotate the center 8 to 12 times until a tight twisted segment appears. Position that twisted segment at the base of the hair row and use alternating finger opens and closes to slide the twist along the skin. This traps and pulls hairs from the follicle. Make short, controlled passes to avoid pinching the skin, and work in small sections for precision. You finish by combing the skin and checking your work so the area heals well. After plucking, wipe with a cool compress and apply aloe or a gentle moisturizer. This reduces redness and inflammation. If the thread gathers stray hairs or the knot loosens, clean or retie the loop and continue with short passes. If you see bleeding or strong irritation, stop immediately. Apply antiseptic, rest the area for 24 to 48 hours, and avoid retouching until healed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.